This side table is around $25 in Ross, and I made a similar one just on a dime. Do you want to see how I made it? Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is Shintani and you are watching DIY Already. You are very welcome. I have started a new channel called DIY Already Bangla. You can find same videos there in Bangla from now onwards. So if you are a Bengali or someone who understands Bengali, then take a minute to subscribe to my new channel as well. Hope you will not be disappointed. So without any further ado, let's start. I went to my local Ross for some furniture shopping with my mom. The weather is gorgeous today here in Denver. Couldn't resist to share with you all. Beautiful bright sky with fresh snow-covered mountain. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely breathtaking. So we made it to Ross. Now I will take you inside with me. Let's shop. I saw something. I found this gorgeous table which would be perfect for my bedroom. The price is $25. Not too high, but I can definitely recreate it with my own touch. IKEA has few stools similar to this. They are asking $599 for it. Luckily, I got an IKEA Marius white stool in our local Goodwill for just $299. It was in perfect condition and it just needed a little cleanup. For the legs, I had two options. Either I make them completely gold as they are selling, or make it little different and modern. So I decided to paint only the below parts. I wanted to make it look like the paint is dripping. There is two different ways to do this. If you have thick paint which dries very quickly, then you can just turn the stool upside down and pour the paint a little bit. You can do that, or you can just do that manually, which I'm gonna do. It is definitely time taking, but it's in your control, so you can enjoy it. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry outside. After it is all nice and dry, I will spray a little polyurethane to protect the paint. I got this marble printed self-adhesive paper from Walmart. It was under $5 for 9 feet. I have been using it for many projects nowadays, so I have a little left. I just trace the top and cut it out. After that, attach it normally. And that's it. No one can tell how simple the project was and how little you spent for it. It looks absolutely gorgeous and modern. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you really liked this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please take a minute to subscribe to my channel. And if this video inspired you anyway, then share with your friends and families, and don't forget to comment below if you want more videos like this. See you next week with my new videos. Till then, stay well. Bye. Oh my gosh, Did you see these? I'm so tempted right now. I think I'm gonna buy a few today. So pretty.